Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a Facebook page for yourself or for your business purposes. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to facebook.com, and if you are using your phone like your Android or iPhone, then you can just simply go to App Store or Google Store and then download Facebook if you don't have Facebook installed, and then you can continue to use it. So now let's start it to the main options. So after logging into Facebook, at the left corner here you can see this option at the bottom left corner, see more. Tap onto it and then keep scrolling until you find the option called pages. So now here at this part of the video I would like to recommend you to check the link in the description box, or it can be in the pinned comments. So now let's tap on to create new page. Now you have to enter your page name from here. So let's add a page name for our video. Let's enter subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Now you have to enter your category, like your page category. So let's type it, let's type social service. Now you have to add a bio for it. This is basically optional, you can use AI for it, and that's it. Yeah, you can also use ChatGPT to generate a bio for you if you wish to. Then you have to tap on to create page. Right here you can see this option called create page. Let's tap onto it. So let's check out the problem, that what is the problem. So as you can see that it's saying that page names that are too broad is not accessible. So now let's get started. Create page, subscribe at the rate of ZZ. Okay, now let's see whether it works or not. Okay, now let's create page. Now it should be created. So as you can see, there is some problem while creating a page. You can check out the page policies right from here. If you are facing this type of problem, that means you have created multiple pages in a short period. And welcome. So let's check out the problem on this channel. So it's saying that do not create pages, groups, or events or proposals that violate Facebook's community standards. You should ensure that content you create are permitted to be created. Okay, now let's talk about names. As it says that do not provide your page, group, or event with a name or username that contains profanity or violates Facebook community standards, and do not change the name of your page. So let's add something like and search for Instagram and then download it, and I hope you know Instagram's official logo. Let's check out now. Let's head over to the main steps, but before starting, make sure to check the link. Now let's check out other problems like verification. So first of all, you have to head over to Instagram. Place a verified check mark in the profile picture or cover photo on your page, group or event, or in any other way falsely represent that Facebook has verified or authorized your page. Okay, you should not do all these things. You should not gambling. Also, do not use a page, group, or event to promote online gambling, because if you promote gambling sites, Facebook may suspend your Facebook page. And also do not promote any type of drug things or alcohol addiction things. So as you can see, it's saying that do not use a page, group, or even to promote drug and alcohol addiction. Okay, also you cannot use online pharmacy stores, like you cannot use a page, group, or event that promote your sale of prescription pharmaceutical via online pharmacy without Facebook's prior written permission. Okay, and also promotions. If you talk about promotions, that you cannot, as I just already told you, you cannot use gambling or any other harmful sites to gamble to promote pages. Now let's talk about page insights. The processing of data for page insights in European Economic Area or the UK may be subject to the page insights. Okay, you just have to tap onto this page policy and then check out all of their policies that can violate Facebook's community guidelines. Now next, see the branded content. If you have
the
been
email
given
you
anything
provided. So let's
value
go
to
to
promote someone
the
else's products
email
or
Gmail
services,
account
like
and let's check it out.
any
The code,
copyrighted
let's check out the
content you
code
have
right
published
from
on your
here,
page, then it may cause harm
and
to
this
your
might be
Facebook
here.
page.
Let's
Also,
check
it
it
can
out. Wait until the page
Facebook
loads,
can
and
suspend
after
your
copying the code you just have to enter the
page
password
if
right
needed.
here.
Also, you must clearly and
So let's go
prominently disclose any actions or
and
expenses
use
with
another
regard to
Gmail
attend
account.
or participate in
So
an
just go
event.
to
Okay, and let's
instagram.com,
lastly talk about
and then you
legal
have
compliance.
to
Like pages,
tap
groups, and
onto,
events must not
okay,
promote
let's tap
illegal
onto
activities,
this
products,
and
or
apply.
services. You are responsible for ensuring that your page or group or event complies with all applicable laws. Okay,
So
just
as
you
you can
have
see,
to
I'm
check
having
out
some issues.
all
So
these
let's tap
things,
on
like all these rules,
and
and
then
be aware
use a
of
strong
them,
password, then
and
like this.
then try to open
Now
a
let's tap
page.
sign up and
As you
check out.
can see, this is the desktop version of my page, will how it
Should
looks
be
like,
this one.
and this is
Sign
the
up.
mobile version. So
Now enter your budget perfectly.
let's tap. As you can see, the bio is
Tap
also added
next.
there. Now you have to
Now you
tap
have
on to
to enter
create
the,
pages, and then your
information
page
code
will
that
be
was sent
created.
to
As
your
we can see
Gmail
right
account.
now, I'm having some issues.
So wait
Let's
until the
type
page
something.
loads. As you can see, on the social here, social section, Instagram will
let's tap
send you
create
a
page.
text. So wait until the
Okay.
text appears.
As I have
The text
created
might be
multiple
somewhere here,
pages
just
in
checking
short
the
time,
spam
so
box.
that's why it is
It's
not
right
working
there.
right now.
So wait until it
But you
comes the
may
notification
don't see this
appears.
problem,
There
because
must be somewhere
I'm
here.
guessing that you have not created multiple pages.
Let's check it out.
That's it. So this is how you can create your page. You
So
can,
let's
after
change
tapping on to create
the
page, it will be
Gmail
like your
account
Facebook
for now.
profile right here. And let me show you how you can
where
edit
does it
your
go?
profile picture and cover photo of your page. Just
Okay.
simply go to your
Let's enter
Facebook
the-
page, and then simply
and
tap
then
onto
enter
this
at the rate of
profile icon. That must be,
gmail.com.
there must be no profile icon, as you just created the page. And after
Okay.
clicking on it, you
Now
can
you have
either
tap
choose
onto
profile
login.
picture. Also you can see
So
profile
this is
picture,
very simple.
but right now we're gonna
Okay,
add
as you
profile
can see, it's
picture.
saying
So
that my
let's tap onto
password
it
was
and then choose profile
incorrect.
picture. Now you can choose profile picture from here, and then you can tap on to save. Also you can browse your profile picture if you want. So let's wait until it's saved completely. Okay. And also the same way you can edit your
So, as
cover
you can
photo.
see,
Just
I'm logged
tap
into
on to
my
edit cover photo right here, and then you
Insta
can upload
account.
photo
Now
from
let's
your
see.
browser easily.
Now you have to
So
tap onto your
this is how
profile
you can do
icon.
it, and tap on to open, and then you
from
can just
there you
customize it
have
according to your
to-
need. Like you can crop it. So this is how you can create a Facebook page. I showed you. As I was just having some problem with creating pages, as I have already created multiple pages, so this is not showing correctly. So I hope you understand that what I showed you, like how you can create a Facebook page. So that was it for today, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.
Basically,
See
professional
you
account
in
is
the
mainly
next
for
video.
influencers, for the people who
Ta-da.
wants to be influencer.